Hey, what's up everybody? This is Guillermo Auto. I got a 2007 Tundra, a Toyota Tundra. I'm doing the rear taillight assembly. This one's cracked. I'm going to show you how to replace it. Basically, I'll show you what's going on. You know, with the truck, you're going to hit stuff. You know, this is cracked. It's actually easy to replace. Let's go ahead and drop this tailgate. Now, come over here. I got an OEM one from Toyota. Here's the part number, this 811 or 81500 number. The Toyota one comes with new bulbs, a new wire harness. If you have an aftermarket one, it may not. But anyways, let's get these two bolts out. They take a Torx 30, T30. That's what you're going to use to get those out. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out. Alright. Save these bolts. We're going to reuse them. And then with this thing, we're going to just kind of massage it out, basically. Just wiggle it out. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. I got one hand on the camera here. Just wiggle it, pull it out little by little until it comes out like that. Alright, and then that's what it's basically held on by, these little studs that go into those little rubber holes. So let's go ahead and disconnect the wire harness from the assembly, so that way this isn't just hanging off, getting scratched up or whatever. Go ahead and disconnect these. And like I said, your aftermarket one may not come with a wire harness, or it may, I don't know. But if it doesn't come with bulbs or anything, make sure to switch the bulbs over and the wire harness over if you need to. Go ahead and remove all this. I'm just going to pretend you have a dealer one. So anyways, I got this removed. Now I'm going to go get the wire harness out of here. This runs below the vehicle. Like I said, this one comes with it. It looks like this goes underneath the vehicle to a connector somewhere like that. So I'm just going to go disconnect it from wherever it's connected to. The wire harness goes underneath here. Crawl underneath. Hopefully you're not wearing a white shirt, a nice white shirt. Here's the connector right here. It's mounted on this little wall right here. So go ahead and disconnect this connector. You can reach up. You could pull it off the little wall right there to get more leverage on it, but disconnect this. It was kind of tight because some dirt and stuff gets in there over time. You push on the little tab button, and then I went and removed everything that was attached to the harness, pulled it out. Now my new one's all assembled, so I'm just going to run the harness down the hole, and watch out for spiders too while you're doing this. Run this down the hole, and then you know, I connect it right here. There's a connector spot right here to connect the harness. Just to connect the harness, it's like a guide. And then we'll put this in. Make sure you line up these pins with the holes real good. And I'll go ahead and put these bolts in right now. Why not? Go ahead and get these bolts in. Alright, and again, this is the T30 Torx bit I'm using. I'll just get these tight. Get them tight, you know. You don't have to get them mega tight, just get them tight, and then a little, like maybe a quarter turn more. And then, you know, just connect this down here to this connector, get this connected, and then make sure you have all your guides that are attached to the harness plugged in, you know, to the vehicle. You know, there's these little guides that go in those little holes to hold the wire harness so it's not flapping around. Alright, now we're going to just turn the key. Let's turn the lights on and just, you know, just check it, make sure all the lights work. I would do that if I were you. It's real sunny out here, so it's kind of hard for me to see. But yeah, that's it, guys. So hopefully this video helped you out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Any more additional information in the comments is appreciated. I'll see you next video.